Hey Bell fans, this is Tim Ellis and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Your Bell. Today we're going to take a look at two neat safety features so you can get just a little bit more out of your bell. Have you ever taken your bell machine down a very steep hill and pressed the neutral button? Well, we know that some operators out there have tried it, and on other machines they will get that machine into overdrive and possibly get it up to 70 k's an hour. But something very different is going to happen on your bell machine. So why don't we jump on board and take a look and see what happens. Welcome to the cabin, and we're just going to showcase the high-speed neutral safety feature on the bell. So, as we've already said, you may know one or two rogue operators that'll take your machine up to speed, find a very steep hill, and at that point, press neutral. So I'm going to do exactly that, although we are on a level here, and we're going to see what the bell machine does. So as I press neutral, I've got my foot on the accelerator pedal, the brakes apply, brings us right back down to 0 kilometers per hour, applies the park brake, and then puts us in neutral in a very safe condition. And then to drive off again, you actually have to engage drive from the stationary position, put your foot on the accelerator pedal, and off you go. We all recognize the importance of using a seatbelt, but did you know that there's software on your bell that can enforce the use of the seatbelt? Let's take a quick look at how to turn that feature on, and then let's take another look at what happens when the operator doesn't use his seatbelt. Welcome back to the cabin, and I'd like to show a very neat feature relating to the seatbelt. To activate the seatbelt monitoring, you need to be in factory mode. You go down to machine config, scoot on down to cabin, controls and display, and there's a menu item under seat called monitor seatbelt. Press and hold the middle STC button. It's active, and at this point I've got the seatbelt plugged in, and you'll see on the screen as I unplug it, there's a little seatbelt warning sign that comes up. And what's really neat about this feature is that when I try and drive, it starts to warn me and it takes the speed limit to 5 k's an hour. So I can put my foot flat on the accelerator pedal, and until I put my seat belt back in, I'm going to be at 5 k's an hour. As I clip it in, speed limit removed, and we can drive as normal. Okay, so those were just two quick safety features that we wanted to showcase just to help you get a little bit more out of your bell. Don't forget to ask your dealer to load the latest software on your bell so you can get the latest and greatest features. And please like, subscribe, and we'd love to hear from you. And until next week, keep unboxing your bell.